remember where the creperie is.
At the end of second.
Oh, okay.
That's why I said we'll just walk down second.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna walk down to the elbow room, cross the road, and then come back this way.
We love the toys. I know the definition. They look like they're my house too. That makes it so much worse. Oh yeah.
Can we not stop? Can we stop gossiping about random people, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. Can we also remember that this stick is going on the internet?
Oh yeah. Oh. Oops. The look. I always forget there's no button we press. We have to wait.
It's all timer. Yeah.
Yeah, it's all time.
Downtown is all timered.
Yeah.
Yeah, good enough.
Oh, okay, Dad. Oh wait, it turned. You thought Dad wasn't gonna follow traffic laws? Yeah.
What?
Probably one
No,
of the
moron.
most upstanding citizens ever.
It's called count your head. It's 3.5 seconds.
Oh yeah. You sound like Josh. He does that all the time too. He's like, it's not that hard. You just have to count in your head. They're all timed. And I'm like, shut up. I don't care. I'm gonna say the jelly bean. Ew, Cybertruck. Bro, far too.
His license plate says tattoo.
Bro.
So he's probably a tattoo artist or something.
Probably.
A liberal
That would make
tattoo
sense.
artist.
That would check out.
That would really make sense.
We should go in the co-op too.
In the what? Sure. In the co-op.
After we get on our way back.
After food. After food. Baby. Food first. I haven't eaten all day. Especially the creperie. The creperie. I haven't been there in so long. I haven't eaten in so long.
Oh my goodness, you guys act like I starved you.
You
But
don't.
you really don't. There's
You
so
don't.
much food.
I spend $600 every month on food, and you guys act like I starved you.
Okay, the counselor even asked me if you were starving herself. Like, no,
No.
I'm starving myself.
No.
On accident.
It's entirely accidental too. We just space it. It's not like a first thing priority in our brains.
Until my body actually feels like I'm dying. And I'm like, oh yeah. Food is
Dude, the
good.
creperie's right there.
Oh yeah.
There's across the board.
So like I said, we'll go down to the elbow room, we'll cross, and we'll come back.
Okay. Oh yeah, you don't jaywalk.
Oh, here's where the escape room is.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't hold this thing straight.
It's okay.
Is it scary?
I remember the one time I
It's
went
an
with Sam and Ella
escape
and I
room.
almost broke like 3 different things because I was like, this could be a clue. And then I heard on the intercom, that is not a clue. Please do not take that off the wall. I had that like 4 times.
Yeah, this is fair.
We'll cross here at Big Rays.
Huh?
We'll cross here at Big Rays.
Honestly,
Here's the Ice Museum.
Oh,
You know, the internet says I should go into the Ice Museum with this camera and walk around, but I don't have my coat, so hard pass.
yeah.
Not today.
Not today, guys.
12 to 7 Monday through Sunday. 12 to 7, 7 days a week, so
We'll come later.
we'll come another day. Another day, another time. Look left,
No?
look right. Well, we can if we want, but
As has been stated, we don't have to press the button when we're in downtown. This one's a support because there's no button.
yeah, there's no button.
This one is
Transportation center and parking lot.
Look behind you. This
Big
thing
Rays.
reminds me of the thing at Anchorage, but there's an elevator.
What
that says-
Anchorage?
What?
Anchorage, the mall.
yeah.
What about Big Rays?
No, the big old tower.
Spiral.
Oh,
The big glass tower. I don't even know what the
glass
heck that
tower.
It reminds me of the mall in
Oh, you mean that?
Yeah,
On the
yeah,
parking lot?
is. Yeah.
On
we
the
don't-
parking garage?
You forget, we've never been in there because we don't need to.
Yeah, exactly.
It
Don't
just
go
reminds-
places you don't need to go. It's that simple.
It just reminds me of Anchorage's mall. I would say one of the Anchorage's malls.
Security. Security. Security.
I wave at security.
Because they're nice.
Most of the time. I mean, they're not law enforcement, but they're still trained in security, armed escorts, protections. Security.
Oh.
Alliance Security.
Until they think I'm flagging them down. They thought that once. I was walking around the neighborhood and they thought I was flagging them down with Bertwood. I was like, oh my
The Creperie. You're welcome, children.
Thank you, guys.
Hey, children, you're welcome.
That is a great thing to eat when you haven't eaten.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, a big burst of freaking sugar in your gut.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we got Gold Rush find your El Dorado Bar and Grill.
I'm too young to go to a bar.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are.
You're about to get
For
super
lease.
long.
Oh, this used to be a jewelry shop. It's generic diner, cafe, art gallery. Yeah, that should be the entrance. Go. The Second Street Co-op. It's 2 floors.
Oh, this is where.
Yeah, that's where the creperie used to be, but now it's a cafe. Oh, the community museum is closed. Seb's favorites. Soba. What's that? Not half a bad place to eat. We deliver it though. It's a goat. It's a ram. Candy shop. Oh, just generic
It's a generic
Euro
shop.
style grocery. There's a fashion boutique for you. Shame we can't go upstairs. What's all this way? Yukon, Quest, Gift. Do what? Okay, pop in there. That's the end right there. I'm gonna walk around and then catch up with you. They came by the thousands. Boats, shuttles, peoples, the Trail of 98. That's a big moose. It's kind of a shame that the upstairs is closed off. Dog Machine Museum's up there. Huh. Let's go this way. Terry's Boutique, Alaska tested and improved outdoor gear and apparel. Will be closed. Oh, they're closed for vacation. Okay, cool. Alright. Very cool. Due to impending zombie apocalypse, I'm having coffee. Please call back. Back in 10 minutes. Okay, cool. Oh, that's right. There's the home show today. Maybe we'll go to that also. Alright, well, that's the Second Street Gallery. With the Second Street Ball, because we can't go to the museum. We'll go around this way. Look at the moose. Please do not touch the animals. It's a moose. Yeah. That's the kind of thing that destroyed my gazebo this year. I'm about that size with a little shorter horns, but otherwise. Alright. It's pretty snazzy. Alright. Quick record. Hey, it works. We test the quick record.
Noise.
Alaska Golden Gems. Fine Alaskan jewelry. Call me the Ivy,
Oh, I love that.
a good girl's bookshop.
I like that, actually.
And then the Fun Factory, furs and toys and whatnot. The Mecca Bar. What do we got here? Regalia, Alaska native owned beads, fabrics, and native art. Alaska rare coins. And then the corner shop. The Ivory gift shop here. And then 3rd Street is pretty much the back entrance to everything we just walked past.
Yep.
So that'd be 2nd Street. That is 2nd Street, Fairbanks.